How to book flight ticket online on Skyscanner. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book a flight ticket online on Skyscanner. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then open up your Skyscanner or log in into your Skyscanner app. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you can see right on top, there are multiple icons. So in order to book a flight, tap on the flights button. Now it's going to direct you to the booking page. Here you'll need to select first of all whether it's your round trip, one-way trip or multi-city. So accordingly, select the flight. So first of all, you need to select where you're actually departing from. So select the country, and after that you need to select the destination. So select where to, and after that enter in the details, and on the third step you need to select the date. So go to the dates and select the month first of all and select the date accordingly. Tap on the confirm button. You can also select the number of traveler or the passenger that you have, and accordingly you can enter in your details. Along with that, you can also select the flight type. So you can go through the classes such as economic, premium economy and all that. Click on the done button. After that, you'll need to search it. So click on the tool button located right at the bottom. These are all the flights that's available on this particular date. So select the date accordingly. If you're sure about it, tap on select right at the bottom. Now it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to take you to the providers page. Here you'll be able to see a list of flights once again that's available. So tap on the book button if you're sure about it. After that, it's going to direct you to the summary page where you need to enter in all sort of details such as your luggage, such as your contact details, your car details and all that. Once you've done with the payment method, you'll receive a confirmation through your email or an SMS that the flight has been booked, and that's basically how you can book a flight ticket online on Skyscanner. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.